Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all to today's topic. So today we are going to learn in MS Excel what is the sorting of the data, what is the filtering of the data. These two features are very important for you people whenever we are getting your 10th class marks in a consolidated sheet. So we are using these features only to segregate your marks, to get the toppers, to get the subject toppers. So I hope you are getting the importance of this feature, sorting and filtering the data. So first of all, what is the sorting? If sorting means the arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. So that thing you have to keep it in mind. Sorting means arrange the data in ascending or descending order. So as you can, if you are going to arrange the data in ascending order, so you are going to get the topper easily. If you are going to get the descending order, so you are going to get who is getting the less marks and all. So if you are going to arrange the data, if you are going to filter the data according to the subject filtration, if I will do the filter here, so I can get who is getting the highest marks, who is getting the highest marks in Hindi, who is getting the highest marks in math. So I can get the subject toppers also. So I hope this is a little bit clear to you that what is the sorting and what is the filtering the data. So let's start first of all with the sorting of data. To sort the data, what you have to do, you have to select the values. I'm not selecting the headings, I'm selecting the values only because my work is with the heading or this values, not with the heading. So I have selected this value. Then what after that, you can have the features here. You can see the sort, custom sort, filter is available here also, or you can click on data tab and you are going to get these features here. So A to Z and Z to A. So now it will change the value according to the Nidhi, Geeta and Lalit. So it will change in the alphabetical order A to Z and Z to A. So when I click here G, L, N, so you can see just now it converted the values into alphabetical order. If you will click here, so it will start N, L, G. So this is the alphabetical order. So now let's suppose if I want to change it, if I want to sort according to these marks, so that time what I have to do, if you require that, if you want to sort the value of a particular columns, if you want to sort the particular columns, then you can hide the rest of the columns and you can sort the values. Next thing, if you want to apply a condition, a sort condition, then what you have to do, you can select the data, click on sort, and you have few categories where you can apply the some certain conditions that is going to apply on your table. If suppose I want to get the ascending order, means lowest to smallest, lowest to highest marks in English and highest to lowest in Hindi. So I can have this also. So here I am going to click here. So as you can see here, just now I am going to click on add. So here in the column name, you can select the English subject marks I required in smallest to largest. Then Hindi subject marks I required in largest to smallest. Okay, you can add more, as many as you want, and you can click OK. So here you can see smallest to lowest. Now my first condition is smallest to highest. Sorry, now my first condition was smallest to highest. So it is smallest, then highest, then highest. But in this term, I am getting a different way. My dear students, it is the reason of because Geeta is in this line. So Geeta is getting the lowest marks in English and highest marks in Hindi. So like that you can arrange. Okay. So this is the feature that you can see. If you want to remove this, all the conditions, you have to click here and you have to remove all the conditions. Okay. And then click OK. So now all the conditions are removed. I think this is pretty clear to you what is the sorting. You can apply sorting according to your conditions. Okay. Next we have filter the data. Filtering is what? Filtering is a process to extract the record from the worksheet that fulfills the certain conditions. Simply, it is temporarily hidden the rows that you don't want to see. Excel provides auto filter and the custom filter options to us. So let's see how we will do this. So in that, what you have to do, you have to select the particular first headings, or you can select the complete table. Okay, then you can click on filter. These small buttons are known as the filter buttons. Okay, these small buttons are known as the filter drop down buttons. So just now you can see here, this window is going to appear whenever you are going to click here. Now you can see select all and deselect all. So if I want to see only the Geeta's marks, so what I have to do, I have to click on Geeta, and it is going to represent me the details of Geeta only. And one thing is also there, as I told you, it is going to hide the other rows. So it will, just now you can see other rows are not visible, and you can see the difference. Here the filter is applied, but here the no filter is applied. So whenever you want to clear the filter, you have to clear first of all this area and then clear filter. So now you can see all the details again. Now in the same way, if you want to add more features here, now you can see ascending and descending order you want to do in this cell. This is the first condition. Or if you want to show equal the value, which are equal the value equals to 70. So now you can see, as I applied the condition, it is going to represent the value. And greater than to 90 I can show, or not, or condition. These are the operators, okay? And or not, we have the three operators, so and or. So it is going to represent the value greater than equals to, you can see here. According to condition it will work. Whatever the conditions you are going to give here, that will work according to that. So I think this is also clear to you how to apply the filter in Excel. So I think this is pretty clear to everyone to understand. Now you can clear the filters. If you want to remove the filters, then you have to select this row or complete data. Now I can select the complete data and I can remove all of them after clicking here. So now you can see these buttons are removed. I think this is also clear to you. One more thing I want to tell you, which is tracking of the functions. Just now you can see I am going to calculate two things, equal this value plus this value, and enter. I can see here, when I will click here with the address bar, I can get it from where this function is coming. But if you want to show what is the dependability of this function, from where we are accessing these values with the help of row, so we have the options here. You have to click on formulas. You can click on track precedence, track precedence. So you can click. So you can see this value and this value addition is here. I hope this is pretty clear to you. Now the next is track dependency. Track dependency means if I will click on this value, so first of all I am going to remove this one. If I want to show you this value is used in how many places, this value is used in how many places, so I have to click on that particular value and track dependence. So you can see this value is also used to get the sum of this, and it is also used here. So I think this option is also clear to you. So my dear friends, I hope that things are clear. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel.